Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a mixed collection of pure cotton sarees, in which the first set you are seeing is 80s count pure chettinad cotton sarees. The material is soft and comfortable to wear and be a perfect choice for this summer season. Multi-layered borders with thread and zari weaving designs, enhancing the elegance of these collections. The saree length is 5.5 meter without blouse. About the maintenance, you can carefully hand wash this collection at home. Also, apply mild starch if you wanted it to be stiffer. This beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 690 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For placing your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. Also, please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number only. And note, our payment mode is through online only. And moving to the second set, as a 100s count pure soft cotton sarees with beautiful kalamkari print running throughout the body part, along with beautiful zari woven borders. The saree length is 5.5 meter without blouse, and this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 850 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And moving to the final collection is again a 100s count pure soft cotton sarees with beautiful kalamkari borders and plain body. The saree length is 5.5 meter without blouse, and this collection is priced at 800 rupees along with free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu.